My friend, today, let us delve into the captivating life of Albert Einstein, a luminary whose intellectual brilliance illuminated the cosmos and whose journey was marked not only by groundbreaking discoveries, but also by challenges and struggles that shaped his indomitable spirit. Born in the serene town of Ulm, Germany, on March 14, 1879, Einstein's life story is a tapestry woven with threads of curiosity, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of truth. From his earliest days, Einstein's insatiable curiosity was evident. A simple compass, a gift from his father, was a catalyst that ignited a flame of inquiry that would define his life's trajectory. As he matured, his unique capacity to visualize abstract concepts granted him the ability to venture into intellectual realms that remained out of reach for many of his peers. Einstein's inquisitiveness set him apart from his peers. As a child, he often puzzled over the inner workings of the universe, grappling with thoughts that exceeded his tender age. His insatiable curiosity was not confined to textbooks or classrooms. Rather, he found himself constantly drawn to the boundless expanse of the night sky, pondering the mysteries hidden among the stars. Einstein's imagination knew no bounds, and even as a young boy, he embarked on mental journeys through the cosmos, envisioning himself riding on beams of light, exploring the farthest reaches of space. These daydreams, while seemingly whimsical, laid the foundation for the revolutionary ideas that would later define his career. At the heart of his imagination was a burning desire to encapsulate the entire universe in a single, elegant equation. This vision, an audacious attempt to distill the cosmos's grand symphony into a few symbols, inspired him throughout his life. He envisioned this equation as a theory of everything, a blueprint that would unlock the universe's deepest secrets and unite the seemingly disparate forces of nature. Einstein's intellectual prowess was not merely a result of rote learning. It was the culmination of a mind that constantly sought connections between seemingly unrelated concepts. His unique gift lay in his capacity to visualize abstract ideas with remarkable clarity. This ability, evident from his early years, allowed him to explore avenues that others could scarcely fathom. In the monumental year of 1905, often referred to as his miracle year, Einstein's intellectual prowess soared to unprecedented heights. His conceptualization of the photon, a fundamental particle of light, not only unraveled the mysteries of electromagnetic radiation, but also marked the birth of quantum physics. This pivotal insight showcased his uncanny ability to peer into the heart of nature's deepest secrets. Einstein's relentless quest led him to penetrate the very heart of matter itself, yielding theories that would illuminate the intricate dance of atomic particles. His groundbreaking work laid the groundwork for a revolution in our understanding of the microcosmic world, setting the stage for innovations that continue to shape our world today. In this same momentous year, the world bore witness to the birth of his iconic equation, E is equal to MC². This seemingly modest formula unveiled the incredible energy hidden within matter, fundamentally altering the trajectory of scientific progress and illuminating paths toward groundbreaking discoveries. Einstein's audacious theory of relativity culminated in his revolutionary equation, which revealed that energy and mass are interchangeable. This idea challenged Newton's conception of mass as a static property, and introduced a new paradigm where energy and mass were interconnected in ways that defied classical understanding. Einstein's bold departure from Newtonian principles was not merely an act of opposition for its own sake. Instead, it was a testament to his relentless pursuit of truth and his unwavering commitment to unveiling the inner workings of the universe. He recognized that the very nature of reality might be more intricate than the straightforward laws postulated by Newton. In unveiling his general theory of relativity in 1915, Einstein redefined the force of gravity itself. He posited that gravity was not a mysterious force acting at a distance, as Newton suggested, but rather the bending of space-time caused by massive objects. This notion, in stark contrast to the simplicity of Newton's law of gravitation, demonstrated Einstein's ability to see beyond the accepted norms and craft a new understanding of the cosmos. Einstein's defiance of Newton's laws was a watershed moment in the history of science. It marked the dawning realization that the universe was far more intricate and its laws far more nuanced than had been previously conceived. Einstein's courage to challenge the venerable Newtonian framework demonstrated his intellectual fearlessness and his commitment to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. However, amidst the tapestry of accomplishments, Einstein's path was fraught with challenges that extended beyond the realm of equations and theorems. His groundbreaking ideas often met with skepticism and resistance, challenging the very foundations of established scientific thought. Controversies swirled, rivalries flared, yet Einstein's unwavering dedication to unearthing truth remained an unbreakable force. As Einstein navigated the complexities of the cosmos, his personal life was not immune to adversity. The global conflicts of his time, World Wars I and II, cast long shadows over his existence. As a staunch advocate of peace, Einstein found himself grappling with the paradox of upholding his ideals while the world teetered on the precipice of devastation. The zenith of his journey was reached during the solar eclipse of 1919. Armed with his theory predicting the bending of light in the presence of gravity, Einstein embarked on scientific voyages to distant lands, Principe Island and Sobral, Brazil. As the moon's shadow obscured the sun's brilliance, astronomers observed starlight curving in perfect alignment with Einstein's predictions, catapulting his revolutionary notions onto the global stage. However, even as this chapter of his life reached its climax, a new layer of mystery emerged. Following Einstein's passing on April 18, 1955, Dr. Thomas Stoltz Harvey embarked on an unconventional endeavor, the posthumous examination of Einstein's brain. This daring exploration aimed to unlock the secrets of Einstein's genius, to extract insights from the physical remnants of a brilliant mind. The results of this experiment sparked intrigue and debate. Certain studies suggested that specific regions of Einstein's brain displayed heightened neural connectivity, potentially contributing to his unparalleled cognitive abilities. Yet the essence of his genius remained elusive, a testament to the enigmatic nature of brilliance that eludes simple definition. As we delve into this narrative, let us reflect on Albert Einstein as a symbol of boundless human potential, resilience in the face of adversity, and an insatiable thirst for understanding. His story encourages us to embrace the mysteries that underpin discovery, to question, to persevere, and to seek illumination amidst the shadows of the unknown. Einstein's legacy reminds us that the universe is a canvas of questions, awaiting the audacious strokes of human curiosity.